at it at being
Say what?
Keep at it at being a service, doing even more.
Keep doing the things that exhaust me? Really? Doing the same thing that doesn't work over and over and over again, expecting it to start working? And so that's what a lot of people are doing with their actions. So what do you mean about service?
Well, and this existential fatigue, right? Doing the same, I agree, doing the same thing, expecting different results. It's a definition of insanity. I don't want to keep doing the same things. But when I was lost, and what I do next, what do I manifest next? But you see, here's the thing. When you feel lost, and it's been going on for a while, so you're really feeling it, there's another end of the stick that's activated that is found. There's lost, and there's secure, and there's timid and afraid, and there's confident. And so even though you can't feel this, we're trying to convince you that it does exist and that your inner being is there. So knowing that, or even suspecting that that might be a little bit true, wouldn't your next question be, well, how do I find the found? And we say, look for it where it is. Well, where is it? It hasn't manifested yet. It's not in my bank account yet. Well, don't look for it where it isn't. Look for it where it is. But Abraham, I can't see it where it is. You just told me that it's just a smear, or that it's just a vibration. I can't look for it where it really is, which is right. You can't look for it or sniff for it, but you could feel for it. So what does the opposite of lost feel like? There is an obvious awareness. See, a lot of people, they want to fight this notion that I really know what I don't want. I don't want to be lost, and I don't want to be unseen, and I don't want to be unheard, and I don't want to not have any money. But in that knowing what you don't want, there absolutely is a knowing of what you do want. It takes a willingness to kind of feel for it. You know how lost feels. What does found feel like? That's what I think I failed to communicate. When I said at service, now I found that I want to help people that have substance use disorders, something I have never done in my life before. I want to be a therapist. I want to help. That's what I meant, to be more at service.
So,
which is my next question.
So you skipped over some steps, and so you can't get there from here. You figured out what you need to do to feel found, but you didn't describe to us in a meaningful enough way that we believe that you found the feeling of found. Because if you'd found the feeling of found and had rested in it a little bit, then ideas would come to you from right where you are. In other words, is that what happened? Did you find the feeling of found, and then it just occurred to you that what you would do is help lost people be found?
Kind of.
Can you see what we're getting at? What we're saying to you is, we're not saying that you haven't found a really good idea of something that you want to do, but you want to flesh it out. You want to live in the vibration until you are found. Are you found?
I think so. Not sure.
So talk to us a little bit about what your plan is.
Well, more than my plan, I'm already doing it, is, I think one of the things that since I'm little, I've never felt that a sense of belonging in this planet, on this world. And I think that cause that I have since I'm 8 years old, panic attacks. I would end up in ER 3 times a year, 3 days crying, and lately that's why I stopped.
But everything that you're saying is not about what we asked. Talk to us from your found position, not from your lost position.
From my found position, when I feel that whatever gift the universe gave me, because in every room I arrive, every person I interact with, I feel that I leave something, and I agree, it's not just giving the money.
We don't disagree with you. So why are you talking to us? What is it that you're looking for here?
Okay. One question then. So, I'm
trying to regret not letting you read that.
Yeah. No, I'm not going to read that. I'm not going to read it. I have worked a lot of all of my attachments in life, attachment to money, fame, success. We spoke before, all of it.
You're letting go of all of your attachments?
Yeah.